is a totally new perspective for me on how they live their lives. It's really, really special. Killer whales are known to be very, very social animals. We've done decades of work on killer whales looking at the side view, and most of that study is based on photo identification. So we find groups of whales and we take pictures from the side, and that's what all these are. These are the identification shots of some of the southern residents. But you miss out on a lot of things when you look at it that way. You miss out on who's actually socially interacting with each other in these groups. And in killer whales and in most marine animals, that's really hard to look at because most of that happens underwater. We can't usually see what's happening underwater. And that's where the drone comes in. Generally seem to kind of have this matrilineal structure, which means you stay in your mom's group generally. What we found is there is a bunch of structure in those interactions that you don't capture when you just look at who's in a group together. The main two things we looked at were age and sex. So the younger individuals are a lot more interactive in these groups. They do a lot more social interactions, and females are more kind of social than the males. And we also found that whales like to interact with other whales who kind of are of similar age and the same sex. It's still a pretty, fully connected network within this social group, but they kind of preferentially interact with individuals who are kind of similar to them. We don't know for certain why these patterns are present. We do know that they're present in a lot of mammals, so including humans. So it's mostly just a pattern we didn't know existed in killer whales.